Did you strip the gears? Oh. Oh. Oh.
You see the aeroplane, you learn to fly. You're learning today. You're learning flying.
Oh, no. You see, yes, the car is fixed. No more shaky.
Will be fucked in 2 seconds. You know it.
But this one? Oh, okay.
Oh, Jesus.
Nice. Right into the holly tree. Right into the burn pile where it belongs. Try not to kill me.
I'm a peacock! You gotta let me fly!
Oh my god, the tree!
Are you fucking serious?
Yeah, I'm not helping you there. Oh my god. Into the branch. Oh my fuck! I think I got a tree here to protect me. Near miss. Nice! You landed. Oh! Oh, dude. The suspension blew a hole in the body. No, just the plastic, the strut. It's golden. Yeah, I'm gonna fuck up royally.
Happens. Well, let's try not to do that. Oh, battery came out. That hit the camera.
Did it?
Yeah, I was holding it right there and it tipped the camera.
That'd make for a sick shot, then.
This
Yes,
came
do it.
loose.
Dude, you gave me the controller for one fucking run. What did I say?
This came loose. It's fucking zip tied.
Look at that.
Back in business. Oh, you might want to plug your orange back in. She's looking a little loosey-goosey. It's a little toasty, ain't it? Oh, shit. What is that?
Just gotta put this Traxxas OEM, double battery tray back together here and we'll be golden.
almost my fucking face. That was the body and the battery again. This battery is gonna fucking explode. Oh.
Dude, look at him.
I know I'm a little fucked up.
You know me forever,